Smiltene, Latvia, July 11, 2025. In Smiltene municipality, especially in the vicinity of Mēri and Variņi, residents are reporting hailstones up to 5 to 6 centimeters in diameter, causing property and environmental damage. At around 1820, large and intense hail was recorded in Mēri, Smiltene municipality. A moment later, similar conditions were also observed near Variņi. Residents are actively sharing photos on social networks showing hailstones up to the size of a tennis ball. Such dimensions are not only impressive but also dangerous. Hail of this size can cause damage to cars, buildings, greenhouses, and endanger people and animals. Meanwhile, reports from residents on social networks indicate that large hailstones have indeed been observed in aforementioned areas. For example, in Smiltene, hailstones were several centimeters in diameter in some places. Large hail was also observed in Pudinava, Kārsava region and Rnaka parish, Gulbene municipality this evening. Currently, a storm cloud is moving along Riga, and a short-term but heavy downpour with strong gusts of wind is also possible in the center of Riga.
Atbrauc tikko uz Mēriem. Pasties, kas tas tāds ir?
The VUGD agency informed Lida that it had received a small number of calls for the eliminations of the consequences of the damage caused by the thunderstorm. By 8 p.m., 14 calls had been received, of which 6 were in Latvia, mostly in Pudinava municipality, 6 in the Riga region, mostly in Gulbene and Rnaka parishes, as well as 2 in Riga. In all cases, trees had fallen onto the roadway. But for example, in Rnaka parish, as many as 7 trees were knocked down in one place.
Apšķirā tagad mums izstās mājās. Negais pat nepārgāja pāri, viņš bišķi uzpūta vējš.
The severe storm on Friday evening caused power supply disruptions in central and northeastern Latvia, while the State Fire and Rescue Services (SFS) did not have significantly more work. On Friday evening around 8 p.m., power supply was disrupted for about 1,500 customers in Pudinava, Valmiera, and Madonna regions in Catalina. Communication specialist at Satellistikla in Lida.
Ajme, koji led pada, Isuse Bože.
SFS informed Lida that it had received a small number of calls to eliminate the consequences of the damage caused by the thunderstorm. By 8 p.m., 14 calls had been received, 6 of them in Latvia, mostly in Pudinava region, 6 in Riga region, mostly in Gulbene and Rnaka parishes, as well as 2 in Riga. In all cases, trees have fallen onto the roadway. But for example, in Ropesi parish, as many as 7 trees were downed in one place. As reported, the Latvian Environment, Geology and Meteorology Center and the Latvian Fire and Rescue Services issued the highest red warning for thunderstorms expected in northeastern Latvia on Friday evening. From 4 p.m. to 9 p.m., thunderstorms with strong wind gusts exceeding 25 meters per second, extremely heavy rains, and locally large hail were expected in northeastern Latvia.
Oh, valtā.